This is Locksmith Silva here. I have a Viking Deadbolt lock. It's a 5-pinner. It's pretty neat. Here's the key. It has a low, high. It's pretty neat. Let me see if the camera could. Okay, right there. But I am gonna SPP it, and then I will try to rake it. Okay, I'm gonna use my Peterson's 25,000. I'm gonna feel it. It's 5. Got it picked. SPP'd it. Now I'm gonna put it right back. It's locked. I'm gonna use my bottom of the key, and I'm gonna rake it with my Peterson's. Switch it here, and let me see if I. Doesn't want to. Oh, I thought I had it. Oh, got it raked also. Okay. Viking Deadbolt lock. It's not safe. But I'm going to make a challenge lock out of this one. And be safe and do not steal. I want to thank everyone who watches my lock picking channel. I do this out of love the sport, love the locksmith's work, and thank you for watching and liking. Thank you.